Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an easy and cool Luma key transition effect in After Effects. First of all, make sure to grab your second clip and move it above your first clip, something like this. Then make sure you are at the beginning of the second clip and apply Luma key effect on it. Change key type to key out brighter and click on threshold stopwatch icon. Then scroll forward where the first clip ends and bump up threshold to 255, and then we can quickly check the effect. Looks nice, but let's fix the edges by simply increasing edge feather. I guess 10 is enough in my case. Let's check it again. That's it, Luma transition is done and it looks cool to me, but let's add one more effect that will make it look even better. I like to add glow and animate it with a Luma key effect. Let's apply a deep glow plugin on it. If you still don't have it, make sure to DM me on Instagram a word, plugins, and wait for my reply. Once you have applied a deep glow, make sure that you are at the very beginning of your second clip and then click on exposure stopwatch icon. Then scroll forward where the first clip ends and change exposure to 0. Let's check it again. Looks nice, but it's too bright, so make sure to select your second clip and press U on your keyboard to see created keyframes, then scroll to the first glow keyframe and slightly decrease the exposure. Let's check it again. That looks fine to me. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.